In this video, I will show you how to combine the behavior of the lasso tool and polygonal tool in one selection. Let's start by choosing polygonal lasso tool and make straight lines like so. Now if I want to switch to lasso tool, I need to hold Alt, then click and drag. Now release the Alt to come back to polygonal lasso tool. The operation is the same when you are selecting lasso tool from the beginning, but it's a little bit tricky. Let me show you why. Click and drag. Now hold Alt. Now if you release the Alt, it will close the selection. So if I want to switch back and not to close the selection, you need to hold the left click on your mouse, then release the Alt. Now complete your selection. So it's better to start with polygonal lasso tool.